Okay, so the plan is there's a switch on 2 of the batteries. I'm going to take one off. The plan is these are 18 volts. Our little Jetson bike runs on 36. So we're going to join 2 of these together. 18 and 18, as you know, is, and we're going to see if that'll power up our Jetson bike. I think she's a Jetson. Someone should tell me. Good heat transfer there. Get it all melted into that wire. Now, little changes happening on the batteries. I got a rack ordered for the back of the bike here and a holder, and I'm gonna put the batteries back there because to fit it in here wasn't really nice. I might even take this off yet and put another little hang bag here. Anyway, we'll see. So I'm just gonna remove these again now. Got our new speed controller put on and key. Running wires down through the frame now, down to the control box. Okay, batteries are in the backpack. Got controller just tied up. Gonna go char for a little spin.